Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. I hope everybody had a really wonderful long weekend and everyone was able to have a little fun, get some rest, and everyone's ready to start our second week of school. I know I sure am. So today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. It is day 3, so you will have gym as your special today. And you can see I made some changes here. Today is the 5th day of school. So in our 10 frame up here, I put in 5 counters, and we can look at that really quickly and see that the top row always has 5. So if the top row is filled, we know right away that there are 5 counters there. And we also can see that the bottom row also has 5. We're going to actually talk a little bit more about that today, about being able to see groups of numbers and different numbers that make up other numbers when we start our math this afternoon. So I'm looking forward to that. And you may have noticed that I've changed the coin for today. We had 4 pennies last week, which is equal to 4 cents, but I've changed to a coin that is actually equal to 5 cents. I'll give you a minute to think about if you know what the name of that coin is. Give me a second. If you thought a nickel, you would be correct. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I could have put up 5 pennies or 1 nickel because they both equal 5 cents. So quick calendar for today. For today's activities, this morning, first thing at 9, you will have it will be a kindergarten high frequency word kind of review / assessment. It will come through the Seesaw activities. You will just record yourself reading the high frequency words from kindergarten. And just to kind of refresh our memory and just kind of remember those words from last year, and then you'll submit that. We'll have our live class at 10 a.m. and we will continue our work with Rainbow Fish in our reading lessons. You'll have a journal response to the story, a question that we'll talk about during our live class. So that will come out after our 10 a.m. live class. And then this afternoon at 1, we will start our math. And I'm really excited for that. We will need 2 of the workbooks for this afternoon. So when you come at 1 p.m., if you want to just make sure that these are handy, you'll need the one that has the yellow on the side and then the blue. So these are the 2, oh, wrong way, sorry. The fluency and then it says grade 1, module 1, the Learn book. So we will dive into that this afternoon. I'm looking forward to it. And just a couple of quick announcements. You probably saw Ms. Keene or Mrs. Tarasi sent you a link to sign up for beginning of the year benchmark assessments. So if you have any questions or any questions about that, let me know. But I know they'll be starting to have their Google Meet meetings tomorrow throughout the day. So if you want to check your time or if you have any questions about that. And Friday afternoon, grown-ups, I did send an email with some login and password information for some of the other apps that we'll be using. So if you didn't see that, I know it was Friday afternoon before a holiday weekend, so I just wanted to mention it this morning to check and see that there's some other passwords, and some of the apps we'll tell you about as we get to them, but some you can access now. So just wanted to let you know, and I will talk and see you soon, and I look forward to starting off our second week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and see you soon. Bye.